Okay, so I guess this is gonna be like a thrift store camera challenge. I have a little like point and shoot. It's the Olympus AF-1. It's wouldn't say waterproof, but it's a weatherproof camera. It's one of the first weatherproof cameras that they actually made. I've shot with this camera one other time. Some background noise is going on, but we're gonna throw some Fuji 400 in it and give it a little test. Cheap camera, cheap film. Let's water my plant. Today we're just gonna be kind of romping around the town, taking pictures of stuff that I would probably do on an average day. Right now I'm watering my garden here. I'll give you a little bit of a rundown on this camera here. So I guess you could get a little bit of water on it, like this, and it should be fine. Like, I saw this Japanese commercial on YouTube earlier. Where they actually literally just completely run like a whole thing of water all over it. Sorry for the wind. So turn the camera on. You're just gonna want to open up this little flap here, and then you're good to go. Basically, everything you need to do is already doing it in the camera. It's right there. It's doing it right here in the camera. It's done. It's set your shutter speed, your aperture, your ASA. It's all there already. Features a nice flash here. Fires automatically. You have no choice whether or not the flash is going to go off, so it's kind of a surprise. Camera just kind of takes a good guess and you know, takes a picture. So there you go. That's one of 24. That's my guy Remy. That's my cat. He's an outside cat. Kind of adopted us. But anyways, the plan for today is gonna be go to downtown DeLand. DeLand's my hometown. Love this spot. We're gonna go to Trilogy, favorite coffee spot. Meet up with my friend Emerson. Shoot some shots. He's a pretty boy, so get some good pictures. All right, just over behind this tree. Trilogy coffee roasting, so here we are. Latte art competition this Friday, April 20th, 420. Come to a latte art competition. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be in it. I don't know how to make lattes, so it's gonna be hilarious. So the story about how I got this camera, I was actually in Los Angeles, California, before a Brockhampton, Tyler the Creator, Bane's World, a big concert, a whole bunch of cool people. Claro was there. I actually have videos on my YouTube channel of that going down. But we basically went thrift store shopping like all day long before the show because we had nothing to do. This is while I was doing a big road trip around the entire United States. I've only shot one roll, so this is going to be my second ever roll. Still very new to me. Making a prediction right now. I just used the focus lock for the first time, and I heard the shutter release, but I didn't hear the next, like I didn't hear the camera wind the film. So I'm thinking that that picture I just took is probably going to be a double exposure. That's just my prediction. I could be wrong, so we'll see. do you guys think? Thumbs up if he should get in the water.
If I should get in the water, comment below.
Drop a comment down below.
Yeah, thumbs up. If this video gets 250 likes, we'll come in here and do a photo shoot specifically in this fountain and just his skivvies.
No trousers.
So, as you know, I'm shooting Fuji Superia 400. I don't know if you guys are gonna agree with me, but the green tones in Fuji, I always love them. They always look beautiful. I don't think you can really argue with that. Yeah, it's ready. Luckily we got a weatherproof body and a weatherproof lens on Travis's camera here. I'm not sure how weather resistant my gimbal is, but oh well. And you already know that this one is a weather resistant camera. I already demonstrated that earlier in the garden. So for my last picture, I'm gonna get like a landscape type picture here. This bench and then the water behind it. Yeah, all right. That was the last one. Doing its thing. Winding. You can see it. There it is. So this has been a thrift store camera challenge and review, I guess. Like and subscribe. It's gonna be more videos like this soon. Maybe a double exposure video with point and shoots. But yeah, see ya.